Girl, we playing in his head again. Step one is to make sure your hair is fully detangled. If you have edge control on your edges, please gently comb that out. Be gentle. If you don't take nothing else from this video, be gentle on your hair. Now the kit came with a 40 volume developer, but I'm not going to use that on my hair. I'm going to use a 20 volume developer. My suggestion to you, if you are going to be doing this at home unprofessionally, is to choose a developer with a lower number. The lower the number on the developer, the longer it'll take to process. However, it will give you time. Also, when you are applying the bleach to your hair, please make sure you are applying the bleach above the shaft and underneath the shaft. I ended up having so many pieces of dark brown in my hair because I just did not put the bleach everywhere it needed to go. Afterwards, I went and shampooed my hair with purple shampoo and then conditioned it with, y'all already know, the main choice ancient Egyptian hair care line. Y'all, I swear by that hair care line. Is that a bad thing to say? Anyways, y'all, look at all of the brown in my hair. I will also tell y'all that I went through and added bleach to my ends because I was like, oh, well, I want it to all be the same color. Child, my ends got super bright and my hair just looking, but that's okay because we're gonna fix it. I decided to do the unthinkable and bleach my hair a second time. Oh, God. Y'all, I only bleached the top because I was running out of bleach. Y'all see how bright that top is and how dark the back is. It ended up working out, at least for curly hair. Now, if my hair gets straightened and woo, you'll probably see the mistakes a lot more. But here we are, okay? Here we are. So I also noticed that I probably should have let my hair revert back to curly after it was straight, simply because on the side, it just takes a little bit more time to revert back in general. I mean, my entire head, this isn't even the curliest that my hair gets. I have a little bit more shrinkage than this, but here we are. You know, we're moving on. Look at that dark spot in the middle, but we're here. We are about to make it work. Mistakes can be made into something beautiful, I guess. I know there's some proverb out there that say that. Right now, I'm putting Vaseline on my skin to prevent it from being stained by the hair color. I did not do a good job of this in the back, and you guys are going to see that. So I started using the brush that comes with the kit. Baby, that thing is so little, you can't do nothing with that. I ended up switching to a bigger brush. Also, I had to go and purchase another kit because the hair color that comes with the kit was not enough to cover my hair, and I don't even have long hair, right? And so just keep that in mind. You can buy the bottles independently. My beauty supply store just did not have them. Also, y'all, I literally almost had a conniption because as the color was sitting on my hair, it got very dark, like a bloody purpley red. And I guess that's the color of crimson, whatever. That's not what I wanted. And I started screaming in the mirror, and my husband was literally looking at me like, what's wrong? It ended up turning out the exact red color that I wanted when I washed it out. This is so fiery red. Even in person, it's so fiery red, and I love it. The middle of my hair is a little bit over processed, right? I can just feel it when I comb it, and I don't like that. But my curls are still there, okay? And so if you ain't no licensed professional, you really ain't really finna see the problems. You know what I mean? In conclusion, though I made a bunch of mistakes, I love this hair color and I cannot wait to style it. So if you want to see what I do and how I do it, make sure you hit that notification bell. Okay, thank y'all. Bye.